Come on now, Momma Donna. It is so embarrassing that the judge had to point out that you had your headphones on completely wrong. You look insane. I mean, it's not like you haven't been wearing headphones this entire trial. Day 5 of Donna Adelson's trial wrapped up on Thursday, and it was all dedicated to one witness. One. That's a stark difference than the day before that had 6 witnesses. It's a great day for a great day. My name is Sydney Rushing. I'm a criminal defense attorney in the state of Michigan. Now let's talk about it. Of course, the morning had to start off with some drama. Judge Everett found that the prosecutors, surprise, had committed a discovery violation when they failed to provide the defense with an enhanced audio of one of the wiretaps. This is exactly why I told you in my last video, I do not like when discovery is manipulated, even if it's enhanced or changed. That means it's changed in some way. But anyways, we got right back into it with witness number 22, Special Agent Patrick Sanford, returning to the stand. Don't forget, he's the lead FBI agent in this case. He presented additional audio and surveillance footage of Charlie, Donna, Katie, Harvey, and Garcia. They did play the enhanced audio between Charlie and Katie after Donna was bumped, which Charlie said he hoped it was a cop because he had nothing to hide and that his parents wouldn't do a lie detector test, which unfortunately would look bad. They did show photos of Katie meeting Charlie after he had met up with Donna. There was audio of Charlie and Donna discussing Wendy, her career, her job offer, her family dynamics, all that. Like, give the girl some space. Charlie encouraged Wendy to go after a new job and maybe to bring Dave to Mother's Day dinner. Lots of audio and surveillance videos were played and admitted throughout this witness. So that entire day, a lot of headphone wearing during it, even when Donna had hers on wrong. Charlie had a lot of stress. Katie and Garcia argued a lot. The calls constantly discussed resolving a problem. And Katie saying it wouldn't be a good investment, AKA, to pay off the blackmailer or the undercover agent as we know it. In a bit of an eye-opener, when discussing the undercover agent, Charlie said, what's even odder is that they aren't bugging Wendy. My question is that because that she's involved, or is that just because Dan's her ex? I feel like that could go either way. Calls discussed coordinating meetings, covering their tracks, responding to the undercover agent, which after several attempts, they were not successful in doing so. But at the end of all of the back and forth between all the parties talking about this agent, everyone was lying to each other about calling the dang agent at all. Donna had a call with an undercover agent, which she denies any involvement. Charlie and Donna had a nice little combo where they discussed reward, stresses in the family, and things about who's been taken care of. You know, Charlie and Donna are finding out the hard way that covering up and unaliving is not as easy and stress-free as they may have thought it was. Charlie was essentially trying to buy out Katie and Garcia with luxury gifts. There was a meeting by the pool area with Charlie, Donna, and Harvey, but the agents couldn't get close enough to record that meeting. Check payments to Katie stopped in August of 2016, and that's when the Adelson Institute started being investigated. That was all the testimony from today because a lot of was listening to the calls and stuff, which I cannot sit here and repeat word for word for you. It's important to note that it appears that the prosecution is going after a totality of the circumstance route versus a aha, got you moment where we're not going to hear Donna straight up say that she did this or knew about it or had planned it, but they're saying that we're taking all of this stuff and this is what makes it a thing. And that's why you're seeing all this tedious testimony and you're seeing a lot of the calls and messages because the prosecutor is trying to connect the dots and make the connection between the parties, mostly between Donna and Charlie. So although there was a lot of discovery that was played during the trial today, that is all I have for you in this recap. Thank you for being here and thank you for following along. And here's my question of the day. Do you think that officers or investigators or experts should be able to manipulate and potentially change or quote unquote enhance audio recordings and video recordings, or do you think that they should have to be presented as they are? Let me know in the comments.